Really, where I wanted to start it today is getting started. How do you do step one of optimizing your supply chain? Then I wanted to go into a little bit more of the intricacies about understanding suppliers, understanding their markets, why that's important. Talk a little bit about RFPs and best practices and why that's important in this process. Really, what suppliers don't want you to know, right? So, what are the internal knowledge points that most businesses don't have about suppliers in their industries? And then I wanted to wrap up today just talking about the expense management continuum. So, what does ad hoc look like? What does good look like? What does exceptional look, right? And I think that will bring us about to a close here this morning. So, ideally, it's the entire organization. It's a culture of cost optimization that gets implemented throughout the organization. That's ideal, right? But a lot of organizations don't have that structure set up, so we have to create that culture.